Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write organic compounds in Word. First, identify the longest continuous carbon chain which forms the parent name. Next, number the carbon atoms in that chain to ensure any attached groups, called substituents, receive the lowest possible numerical positions. Remember, prefixes such as meth, eth, prop, and but indicate chain lengths of 1, 2, 3, and 4 carbons, respectively. Now let's talk about the suffixes which tell us about the types of bonds present. If your compound has only single carbon-carbon bonds, it's an alkane and its name will end in -ane. For compounds with at least one carbon-carbon double bond, we use the -ene suffix, indicating an alkene. Finally, if there's a carbon-carbon triple bond, it's an alkyne and the name concludes with -un. Next, we incorporate functional groups and other substituents. Alcohols, for example, use the -al suffix, while ketones use -one. Simple alkyl groups, like a methyl group with one carbon or an ethyl group with two carbons, are named with their position on the main chain. Halogens, such as chlorine or bromine, are also named as substituents like chloro or bromo. Finally, let's assemble the full name. List all substituents alphabetically before the parent chain name. If you have multiple identical substituents, use prefixes like di for 2, tri for 3, or tetra for 4. Remember to separate numbers from words with hyphens and numbers from other numbers with commas. Practice is key to mastering these rules and confidently naming organic compounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.